We are just buzzing to get this first episode started. Hello, my name is Kai.
I'm Adam.
And I'm Jonah Godfrey, and welcome to ECTV Try.
The show where we have no clue what we're doing until the cameras start rolling.
Although we have been given a hint. Can you be cool under pressure?
So what do you think that is?
I'm worried that means we're gonna get an ice cube down the back of our shirts, to be so honest.
Yeah, the hint did have a picture of Barry B. Benson, so I think it has something to do with like honey, bee, pollen, anything under that sort.
For those of you who don't know, inside of the chat on Microsoft, there was a picture of Barry B. Benson, and well, that does tell me that it's most likely going to be bee related.
Yeah.
What if it's like spicy honey or like different types of honey?
I'd be okay with that.
I
So
don't like honey.
yeah, I think it's time we look at the task. I have the task right here. You will be competing against each other in a spelling bee. Man, we were way off.
I can do that.
Okay.
So now that I know what the task, we'll be right back.
Alright, so we are just starting. I'm going to start reading words. Is everyone ready?
Yep.
Alright, round one. Hi, your first word is intelligent.
Okay. Intelligence. INTELLIGENCE. No?
You say E at the end.
Yeah.
That is incorrect.
Intelligence? Oh, and I heard intelligence. Oh well.
Alright, so
It sounded like you did well, but I guess
then no.
It's okay.
I probably would have done the same thing as well.
I heard intelligence.
Alright, Adam. Adam, your first word is bureau.
Bureau.
If you would like, you may ask me to use it in a sentence.
Bureau. B. Trying to think. I know there was a vowel next. BERUAE.
That is incorrect.
Now
Alright,
I'm nervous.
Jonah.
You got it.
Jonah, your first word is business.
Oh, okay. So BUSINESS.
That is correct. Alright. Alright, Kai, your second word for round one is adventures.
Like adventures, like plural.
Yes,
Okay.
adventures.
A.
An unusual or exciting, typically hazardous experience or activity.
Got you.
Plural.
ADVENTURES. Adventures.
That is correct. Alright, Adam, your second word in round one is assassin.
Assassin. ASS. Can you repeat the word? Assassin.
Would
Okay.
you like it used in a definition or a
Yes.
sentence? Assassin. A person who murders an important person for political or religious reasons. Assassin.
ASS. INIAN.
That is incorrect. Alright, Jonah. Jonah, your first round second word. Difficult.
That doesn't sound too difficult. DIFFICULT.
That is correct. Alright, we have finished round one. Alright, we are starting on round two, our medium round. We will start again with Kai. Kai, can you please give me the correct spelling for proctologist?
Yeah, I'd love to. Can you use it in a sentence?
Would you like a definition or a sentence?
Can I choose a sentence?
Sentence. My friend went to the proctologist yesterday.
PROCTOROL. Can I restart?
You may restart.
Okay. Okay. PROC T-O-L-O-G-I-S-T.
That is correct. All right, Adam. Your second round, first word is pneumonia.
Pneumonia. P-H-U-N-O-M-I-A.
That is incorrect. Jonah, your second round, first word is Tyrannosaurus.
I don't want to call this too early, but this feels a little rigged towards me, which I'm not complaining, but Tyrannosaurus space R-E-X.
That is incorrect. The word was just Tyrannosaurus.
Okay.
All right.
Well, I did extra credit, but
That was, unfortunately, your spelling of Tyrannosaurus was still incorrect.
What about half a point?
No. To Kai, your second round, second word is kaleidoscope.
Okay. Kaleidoscope.
Would you like it used in a sentence?
Um,
or is it the definition?
I would like the sentence.
Sentence. At the toy store, my mother purchased a kaleidoscope.
Okay. Kaleidescope.
Very close, but that is incorrect. Alright, to Adam, your second round, second word is nauseating.
Nauseating. N-A-U-S-U-I-N-G.
That is incorrect.
I'm not gonna get a point.
Your second word is salutatorian.
okay. Salutatorian. S-A-L.
Leave me alone!
Hell,
Would you like the definition, or would you like the
Sure.
sentence? The definition: the student who ranks second highest in a graduating class.
Salutatorian. You know, I shouldn't have said that I shouldn't have said my previous statement too early.
I do need an answer.
Okay, S-A-L-L. I-O-R. That's all I got.
That is incorrect, unfortunately.
Yeah, I wasn't even have finished the sentence, but I had to stop.
That's okay, it happens. Alright, we are moving on to round 3, our difficult round. The change in this round is there will now be 3 words per contestant. Get excited. We will start again for Kai. Oh gosh.
H, don't.
Kai, your first word is conjunctivitis. Would you like the definition?
I would really like that, yeah.
Conjunctivitis, an inflammation of the conjunctiva, the transparent membrane that covers the white part of the eye and the inner surface of the eyelid.
The word is conjunctivitis.
Conjunctivitis.
Okay, that's really cool. Conjunctivitis.
That is correct.
Oh,
Let's go. Okay. Thank you.
All right, to Adam. Adam, your first word of round 3 is. I'm trying to be nice.
Oh no.
Tuberculosis. Would you like the definition?
Sure.
A bacterial infection that primarily affects the lungs. Tuberculosis.
T-U-B-E-R. B-E-R. No, I got it wrong.
I'm sorry, that was inappropriate. Continue. Would you like to start over?
Yeah.
You may start over.
T-U-B-E-R. Hold on. I get it in my head, and then it just disappears.
That's okay.
It was T-U-B-E-R-I-L-O-T-U-S.
That is incorrect.
Ah.
Unfortunately.
Was he close?
I don't think I was.
No.
No, that is
Yeah.
okay though. All right, on to Jonah. Your round 3 first word is acetaminophen. Would you like the definition?
The definition is not going to help me, but sure.
Okay. Acetaminophen. A drug used to relieve mild or chronic pain or to reduce fever, often an alternative to aspirin. Acetaminophen.
Acetaminophen. Okay. Acetaminophen. So that means that there's an A. A-S-C-N-I-M-A-F-E-N. That was probably worse than what he did.
No, that is incorrect, unfortunately. But we appreciate the effort here at ECTV Tries. On to Kai. Kai, your round 3 word, second word you will have is deoxyribonucleic.
Okay.
Would you like the definition?
No. Deoxyribo. D-E-O-X-Y. Can you repeat the word?
The word is deoxyribonucleic.
Do I have to say like a space or no? Like would you?
If you think there is one.
I don't like that answer. Okay. I'm gonna restart. Okay.
Go ahead.
Deoxyribonucleic.
Yep.
D-E-O-X-Y-R-I-B-O-N-U-C-L-E-I-C.
That is correct.
Wow.
Wow.
What?
Kai is not messing around.
My mom's a nurse, so all the medical terms.
That's, yeah. Okay.
That really helped you in this case.
I did.
All right, Adam, your round 3 second word is iridocyclitis.
Iridocyclitis.
I'm just thinking of the Sidemen spelling bee. This was one of the words in it.
Yeah.
Can you repeat the word?
The word is iridocyclitis.
Iridocyclitis.
Would you like the definition?
Sure.
Iridocyclitis, an inflammation of the iris, ancillary body parts. Iridocyclitis.
No, hold on. E-R-I-O-D-O-I-T-I-S.
That is incorrect. All right, to Jonah. Jonah, your round 3 second word is going to be Czechoslovakia. Would you like the definition? Or it used in a sentence?
Czechoslovakia?
Czechoslovakia.
Right. C-H-E-C-K S-O-L-A-V-O-K-A.
That is incorrect. That was a very valiant attempt at that word, though. That's not a point, but good job. That's a hard one.
Right. I tried.
All right, we are on to our final round of words. So, Kai, your round 3 third word is really hard to say, so give me a second.
no.
Your third word, Kai, is petromerhenophobia. Would you like the definition?
Can you repeat the word?
Petromerhenophobia.
Yeah, I would like the definition.
An intense and persistent fear of flying or being in a flying vehicle, such as an airplane.
Okay. Repeat the word again, please.
Wow, you're really good. Petromerhenophobia.
Petromerhenophobia. P-E-T-R-O-M-I-E-N-T-H-O-B-I-A.
Close, but that is incorrect. Alright, to Adam. Your round 3 third word is dog. Would you like the definition or would you like it used in a sentence?
Just to make sure I'm understanding what the word is, give me the definition.
The definition of the word dog. You need the definition.
I just want to make sure that it's not like DAWG or if it's what the actual animal is.
The definition of the word dog. A domesticated canine animal that is typically descended from wolves.
Dog. D-O-G.
That is correct, Adam. Round of applause!
I'm glad it wasn't something a stupid spelling or like Snoop Dogg or something.
You at least got one. That's what
You got
matters.
1 point, bud.
Alright, and our final word of round 3 for Jonah. Jonah, your final word is glyceraldehyde. Would you like it said again, or is the definition of the word?
Definition.
The definition: the simplest monosaccharide or sugar, and a sweet, colorless, crystalline compound. Would you like it said again?
Yes.
Glyceraldehyde.
G-L-A. No.
Would you like to start over?
Yes.
You may.
G-L. I-S. G-L-I-S-E-N-A. H-E-R-O-F-P?
That is incorrect. Alright.
Yeah.
I know I didn't win.
Dog. Dog. You might have won. In spirit.
In spirit, I won, but in the competition, I did not.
Alright. The standings are in, and they definitely have not been in this entire time. That obviously I had to calculate. Alright. In third place with an astounding 1 point from his correct answer and spelling of the word dog is Adam Pazze.
Woo!
In second place with a total of 2 points is Jonah. And our Spelling Bee champion, the first annual ECTV Try Spelling Bee champion, is Kai with a total of 4 points. The most impressive spelling across the entire board is considered deoxyribonucleic. It is a very hard word to spell and say. Congratulations, Kai, you did
Thank
it.
you.
Wow.
Great job, great job. And that'll do for this week's episode of ECTV Tries. I'm Adam Pazze.
I'm Jonah Godfrey.
And I'm Kai.
We'll hope to see you next week. Thanks for watching ECTV Tries.